everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before starting the video, I wanted to clarify one thing. So I'm not a morning person. I do not wake up around 6 a.m. every day, but this is a routine which I try to follow. So yeah, that was it. Now let's start the video. So I woke up around 6 a.m. that day, and it's really difficult for me to wake up this early as I'm not a morning person. Then after that I quickly made my bed, and this is something which I think everyone should do before doing anything else in the morning. And then I also opened the windows so that natural light can come in the room. Then I went straight to the living room and I opened the windows there also, and then I sat down for half an hour and I was reading a book. And at the moment I'm reading Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. I have also mentioned about this book in my previous video. So this habit of reading a book in the morning, this I have started very recently after this lockdown. So basically you will see me opening the windows everywhere because I really like it when the room fills with natural light. Then it was time to freshen up, so I brushed my teeth, then washed my hands, and also I washed my face using this Nivea face wash. And now it's time to hydrate yourself, and as you can see I'm using a jar. So this is actually inspired by one of my favorite YouTubers. She is Holy Gabrielle, but I could sadly finish half of the jar only. And then I took out my planner to write the to-do list for the day. So this is a daily planner which I have bought from Amazon, and I really like it because it has a quote from Harry Potter. So I always like to write down all the things which I want to do on that particular day. Now the thing is that it's not like that I end up doing everything which is written in my list, but I think it's very good to set up the goals and priorities for your day. And moreover, you will be able to track how much work you have done on that particular day. Then after that I took out my academic planner, and this notebook is from Factor Notes. I have bought it from Amazon, and here I have written the topics which I have to cover for my upcoming exams. And if you want to know more about this planner, like how I have made this or what things I have written here, so then please comment down below, then I will make a video on this. That day the weather was quite interesting. At first it was cloudy, but then after some time it turned into a clear blue sky. And after that I went to have my breakfast, but I shouldn't call that a proper breakfast because I only had 1 cup of tea with some biscuits. I generally have my breakfast around 10:30 to 11 a.m. Then I did exercise for 20 minutes, and this is also something which I have started very recently after this lockdown, as when I was in my hostel we used to have classes in the morning, then our practical labs in the afternoon, and after all those things, when I used to return to my room, there was no energy left for doing anything else. Then after that I went to take my shower. So this is the streak serum which I apply after washing my hair. I actually prefer the other variant, but as that is currently unavailable in the market, so I'm using this one. And it is a hand cream from M Caffeine brand. I have purchased this from Nykaa. And now it was time to start studying, but before that I always check if there is any new mail from my institution or not, because we all know that in the current situation nothing is certain. Every day things are changing, so we have to keep track on everything. So that was quite a rough overview of my mornings. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.